sometimes there just doesn't seem to be enough time. Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Paige, am doing laundry dressed like a 1920s movie star and going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So while multitasking isn't good all of the time, sometimes it is completely necessary. We have events to go to, lost socks to find, household chores, families, jobs, and hobbies. At the end of the day, we still have to make some time for our writing. Because if we don't, we're never gonna finish our manuscript. And we will drive ourselves crazy. We need to write. So whether it is filming a motivational video while you're doing a load of laundry, getting ready early for an event so you have a little bit of writing time before you have to leave, multitask when you can, but not all the time. Remember to take breaks, be good to yourself, and I will see you next time. Subscribe to Writer's Atelier for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I will see you next Monday. Bye everyone!